In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to use an American Express gift card on the Apple Store and whether or not it is possible to do this. To answer this question and see if it is possible to use an American Express gift card directly on the Apple Store, what we may try to do is visit the official website where you can browse through various items and purchase them using the available payment methods. Now, I already have something in my cart. Assuming that you don't have the items that you wish to purchase using the American Express gift card on your cart already, go ahead and add all of them. You can customize them to your own liking, but I'm just going to skip ahead and assume that you already have everything set up. So once you add everything to your cart, you proceed to checkout. You will be able to set up the delivery instructions or pickup. After you sign into your account, you can include your contact information and you should be able to get this whole process done. So I'm going to skip ahead until I reach the final place where we can choose the payment method that we want to use to confirm on whether or not it is possible to use the American Express card on the Apple Store. Now, in here, under the default payment methods, there's always going to be credit or debit card and PayPal. And you will notice that under credit or debit card, Amex or American Express is listed, so this might lead you to assume that it is possible to use it. So when you click this option, you are able to input the details about the credit or debit card, expiration date, and security code. Now, the gift card from American Express, even though it can be used online on a variety of stores, it seems to not be compatible with the Apple Store specifically. What I recommend is that you go ahead and you try to use your specific American Express gift card, regardless of the model, regardless of the balance, the design, and see if it works. If it gives you a message telling you that the card is invalid or that it cannot be redeemed on this website, then unfortunately there isn't much that you can do. As it stands today, you will only be able to use the card without any issues if it is accepted in this checkout window. If it tells you that it is invalid, then it's not going to be usable. You have to choose from one of the services where it is available to be used. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that even though the American Express gift card can be used online for most online retailers and stores, some of them will straight up not take the card. In that case, there's nothing that you can do. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.